Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to share a job opening with candidates using uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. To share a job opening, go to the side navigation panel and click on the recruitment menu. From the list of submenus, select the current job openings submenu. This will open a new page displaying all the jobs that are currently open in the organization. Click on the job name to view its detailed information. In the Job Details page, navigate to the About This Job section. Here, you will see social media icons such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Click on the social media platform where you would like to share the job opening. For example, if you click on the Twitter icon, you will be redirected to Twitter with a draft post already prepared for you. You can edit the content if needed, and then publish the post to share the job opening. That's it. You now know how to share a job opening using uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.